Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be tidying my whole apartment, so my living, dining, kitchen and the 2 bedrooms. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I just want you to subscribe if you are new here. I put out videos 3 days a week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I also have some new blog posts for you to check out over at ourIrishFamily.com. It is definitely different content than I put on here on YouTube, so I'd love if you check that out. So without further ado, I will just get on with the cleaning and tidying. So I am just using this dry microfiber cloth just to get up all the dust. If I'm being honest, I haven't dusted in a long time, and you will see that because I do show you the amount of dust that has accumulated. I'm then going to use my Cleanology cleaner just to wipe off all the fingerprints and marks Ava leaves on this unit. So now onto the kitchen. So I'm just going to wash the couple of dishes that are left in the sink here, and then I'm going to wipe down my counters with that Cleanology cleaner before we move on to the dining room table.
Every time
pile of stuff down here is everything that shouldn't be in this room. So now I need to go and take it to where it's supposed to be, because it's definitely not supposed to be in here. So now onto the bedroom. So I'm going to put away the couple of things that are on the bed, make my bed, and then put away the stuff that's on the ground over at the side here, and just give it a little bit of a tidy.
I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
So again, we are finished in here picking everything up. Again, these things don't belong in this room, and now here I have stuff that needs to go into the washing machine, and then in here just needs a Hoover now. So I will do that at the very end. So I've now made my way into Ava's bedroom. You can see there's just some toys thrown around, the two boxes, which pretty much all of this was hers from the living room and my bedroom. So I need to put everything away. I need to make her bed and Hoover in here. So if you want to see a full room tour of Ava's toddler bedroom, I will have that linked below in the description. It took a major transformation during the year. It took me months to do it because I did it quite slowly, but it was the most cluttered room you've ever seen, and now it is a lovely styled toddler bedroom. So I would definitely recommend that you go check out that video. It will be linked in the description. So these two baskets down here need to go to other places, mainly back into the living room, and then the stuff in this bag here needs to go in the rubbish. And now I'm just going to Hoover. I'm gonna Hoover now. So onto the final bit now, onto the hoovering. So I have been complaining about my Dyson for a very long time, but I actually took a loan of a different head that is on the Dyson there. Ours stopped working, but I got a loan of the one from Robert's mother, and it worked amazingly. So I think we're just going to have to replace the head on it, because the suction seems to be working still quite well. It's just the head and its ability to collect all the dirt and grime that was the issue. So we're going to have to buy another one from Dyson. So that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I really hope that you do subscribe to my channel. As I said, I put out videos 3 days a week. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And I also have some blog posts for you to check out over on my blog, or irishfamily.com. They are different content to what I upload here on YouTube, so I would love if you check that out. All the links to everything will be in the description, alongside my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.